How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can mirror a body in FreeCAD. Now, I have a simple body right here on my plane, which is going to be this one. If you want to mirror your body, you could click on this specific function, which is going to be actually the mirror function. Now, the first thing that you want to do is to just click on reference, and then you want to select where you want to mirror the object or the body. So in my case, it's going to be under. And then basically from there, it will then mirror it directly onto the specific part where we applied the mirror effect onto. So let's just try that again. Once again, click on select reference. And then this time, let's apply it to this one. And that's basically how you do it. It's that easy. You can add it out from here. And so if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.